The village of Oda, Norway is one of the most picturesque places on Earth. But it's also one of the most active regions in the world for avalanches. January 17th, 1993, like a massive slow-moving locomotive, a 7-story tall wall of ice, snow, and rock flattens everything in its path. From 100-foot trees that have stood for centuries to houses that have stood for decades. A man videotaping from across the lake can only watch as the churning giant takes dead aim at 2 occupied houses. The first home topples like a dollhouse. The 3 people inside are caught completely by surprise. The second house is also occupied. Miraculously, the house remains stable as the avalanche splits and moves around it. When rescuers arrive, they're stunned by the destruction. But the main concern is for those trapped in their homes. Of the 3 people inside the first home hit, 2 survive when they escape into the basement, but a 3rd is killed. All 3 people in the second house survive when they take cover in a concrete laundry room. A blizzard followed by a sudden warming trend produced perfect conditions for an avalanche of this magnitude. As a result of the tragedy, new plans are put in place to evacuate residents sooner when there's the threat of an avalanche.